am telling about the topic, the significance of the Mahakumbh Mela according to Satya Dharma, with the blessings of my Pravartak Guru, who is the present Adishta of this true religion. The significance of the Mahakumbh Mela. The Mahakumbh Mela was initiated by Mahatma Bholanath. The word Kumbh means pot or vessels, and its symbolic meaning in ancient scriptures is Om. The reason behind this metaphor lies in a mythological tale. During the churning of the ocean, Samudra Manthan, both the gods Shura and the demons Ashura participated together. As a result of this churning, the deadly poison emerged, which Mahatma Bholanath, also known as Lord Shiva, consumed. This mythological story holds deep spiritual significance, representing the essence of true religion. The pursuit of ultimate truth and liberation. Through the method of spiritual attraction, this true religion is attained. And the primary aim of true religion is to impart real knowledge. Mahatma Bholanath or Lord Shiva was the first initiate disciples through the divine Vedic language. All the world's language originate from this primal Vedic language, which itself emerged from the sacred sound of Om, Pranab. Through the Vedic language, Mahatma Bholanath bestowed initiation Diksha. Diksha is considered a form of supreme birth. In this spiritual birth, the father is Guru, the mother is the external worldly experience. The seed is the union Pranav, Om sound. The Om represents the captivating essence of the universe. True love is the nurturing Om, and reverence from the foundation of their genuine love. This sacred birth through initiation symbolizes the attainment of spiritual merit. The concept of Diksha is meant to liberate individuals from their inherent sins accumulated over countless lifetimes, sins driven by desires, anger, greed, arrogance, jealousy, social divisions, pride, hatred, shame, and fear. By granting initiation through the divine Vedic language, Mahatma Bholanath absorbed these sins and guided souls towards the realization of non-deity Avidgyan, transforming the initiation site into a holy land. Mahatma Bholanath recognized the inherent duality within humans, the divine Shura and the demonic Ashura. Those whose souls were more elevated were called dogs, while those with lower tendencies were labeled as demons. During the initiation, he became aware of their collective burden of sin, and by absorbing this poison, sin, he was named Nilkantha. The throat in exchange the offered the nectar of immortality, symbolizing the gift of the supreme mantra of creation and liberation. In ancient times, the place where he initiated countless disciples became a sacred ground. The Kumbh Mela thus symbolizes this great union of spiritual initiation. Unfortunately, over time, this profound gathering has turned into a mere ritualistic event focused on physical birth, with millions seeking merit without understanding its true way. Just as we are born from our mother's womb, the Kumbh symbolizes the supreme spiritual birth through initiation. The astrological alignment of planets and stars that occurs once every 12 years during the Kumbh Mela mirrors the subtle cosmic energy that Mahatma Bholanath harnessed while bestowing initiation. It is crucial for everyone to understand the core essence of this tradition. Humanity's deep longing for liberation drives them toward various worldly practices. Yet the true path lies in receiving initiation as described here. The discoverer of true religion, Guru Mahatma Gurunath, continues the exact method of initiation established by Mahatma Bholanath. If one truly seeks liberation, they must receive initiation in this authentic way and align their understanding with the teachings of Mahatma Bholanath. Uncovering the true meaning of Kumbh Mela, this rare and golden opportunity for spiritual rebirth and self-realization is available in this very lifetime. I call upon everyone to embrace this supreme initiation, elevate their soul, and attain the vision of the Supreme Father. Thank you.